here at Garage Studio, and we're gonna try some new lenses and bodies if we're lucky, because there's a lot of people out here. So the one I borrowed is this one, Sony 100 to 400 variable lens G Master. So we're gonna try it out inside. It's a bit dark and a lot of people are here. So let's see how it look like. And by the way, there's a free food outside. You can see that food. It's a free food. You don't need to pay anything. You just get some. So let's go. Guys, as you can see, I'm inside the workshop, the Sony Alpha Festival, and I've borrowed around 3 lenses actually. I borrowed the 100 to 400. I'll show you the photos. So as you can see, this is the place, and there's some shots from here. So let's see later how the photos look like. So peace. So yeah, that's it for today's workshop. I hope you had fun with me. You like my photos, and if you want to see more of my photos, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And see you guys on the next video. Peace.